Today we're going to be making broccoli pear green smoothie. Tastes like green apple. Wow, I don't even taste the broccoli. Ethan. Hey guys, my name is Maddox, the smoothie expert. Today we're going to be making broccoli pear green smoothie. You need almond milk, broccoli, and green apple, pear and banana. To make it green, first you need 3 green. Let's make it green smoothie. First, put almond. You could put half or the whole entire thing. Which one do you ever want? Now, time for the broccoli. In a smoothie, you're not even going to taste the broccoli. This is how you eat your vegetables. First, put these green stuff. So I'm going. That looks good. It's all green. Comment down below what your favorite color is. My favorite color is golden. Add some sweetness first, then the ice. You could put 2 bananas if you want, or 1. I feel like eating this banana, but I can't. Oh. And the ice. You could also use frozen ice. You don't have to. Does this look good to you or not? It smells like green apples. Tastes like green apple? How does it taste like green apple when it smells like green apple? I don't even taste broccoli. I just taste all that sweetness and all that, I don't even taste the broccoli. Wow, I don't even taste the broccoli. Wow. That was quick. That was a quick smoothie. Ethan.
What do you want me to do, Mike?
I've
been a little thirsty since the past hour or so.
You don't even taste the broccoli I put in there?
No. But you put broccoli?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of like a broccoli fan, actually. That's weird. I'm kind of like a broccoli fan.
I like cooked broccoli.
You like cooked broccoli?
Yeah.
You mean like the steamed broccoli? Like this, you don't taste the broccoli in it at all. It's very healthy, and it kind of tastes like apples. Green apples, really, most likely.
I put green apples.
Green apples?
And
how many? Like, did you cut one up or something?
I cut one up.
Oh, it smells really good. It kind of smells like green apple vanilla.
And also, wait, I put almond milk. Yeah, because I put almond milk.
And almond milk is pretty good for you. And also, so this is really good for you. You don't taste the broccoli at all.
And also, this is good for summer.
True.
Or spring.
Also, it's a very good way, and I'm talking about you, parents or adults, to show your kids how good vegetables are for you. Because you can't taste the broccoli at all.
Yeah, if you make this and drink it, you won't even taste the broccoli. It would be like, wow, wow.
Also, probably when you give it to your kid, they're going to be like, wow, this tastes really good. What'd you put in it? Broccoli? Oh, I never knew broccoli actually tasted so good. That's what their reactions are going to be like. So, Like, what kind of name should we come up with? Broccoli haters turn into broccoli lovers?
How about you broccoli haters? How about you make this and have it? You won't know why broccoli is so good.
And good for you. And also make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and you get notified in all the videos we do. Make sure you like and comment down below.
You need almond milk, broccoli, and green apple, pear and banana. Eat your veggies. Stay healthy and stay juicy. Don't get corona.